Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Maths. In this video, we will be looking at geometric sequences. We'll find the nth term and then solve for or extrapolate different values. So let's get started. First of all, how can we identify a geometric sequence? So same way that arithmetic ones were all about plus or minus, here it's going to be all about times or division if you visualize it that way, but mostly times multiply. So let's see inner sequence. Let's draw our mountain like shapes, and let's see what do these have in common in terms of timesing. I think it's pretty clear. Times 2, right? 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, etc. Okay, easy, pretty easy. We've identified it. Now let's look at a different example. 112, 56, 28, 14, 7. Let's draw our mountain, and I think now it's pretty clear. You might be thinking, well, this is easy. Divide by 2. Yes, but guys, no. In sequences, we cannot do this. In geometric sequences, they work by the ratio. That's why I said that division isn't really a big factor. It's just all about ratio. And it's not common difference either. It's common ratio, okay? Not D, R. We always use R. And R is 2 for the first one. So then for the second one, what could R be? If it's not 2, it's 0.5. Because you are multiplying by 0.5. It is a division by 2, but here it's all about ratio, or just think about it like multiplication. What do I have to multiply by to get to the next term? Let's put a tick there because we did get it. And yeah, that's a summary of how to identify them. So it's all about the times, the ratio. Okay. Let's get this one that we've just identified, and let's actually find the nth term for it. So we start off like we always would do, drawing our mountains. I know that we've just done it, but this is how you would start off. And if any of you are still a bit confused, hopefully now you have time to fully understand the process. So we draw our triangles, 0.5 everywhere, okay. Okay, next step. I want to leave clear these 3 things that we have to know before applying the formula to solve geometric sequences. First of all, U1 means the first term. U2 would be the second term, etc. Ratio. That's the common ratio. In this case, it's 0.5. And U1 was 112. And N simply means term number. That's all we need. These 3 variables will get us a correct nth term / general rule. Okay, so UN, which is nth term, equals U1 multiplied by R to the power of N minus 1. That would be it. It's a bit shorter than the one for arithmetic sequences, but that would be it. And with this, you've pretty much done all the work you need to do. Now that we've nearly made our nth term, we just have to substitute the values in. You can pause the video and try to do it yourself, or just wait here with me while I do it. So 112 times 0.5 or 1 over 2. If you write it as a fraction though, put the brackets around it so it doesn't look like the power is only being applied to the numerator. So to the power of n minus 1. And that's it. We've officially have our nth term. Now the only thing left to do would be to solve different values. So use the nth term. Actually use it. So let's see. We're going to say for n equal to, let's choose 4, okay? And remember, n is the term number, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the 4 should equal to 14 when substituting 4 into our equation. So 112 times 0.5, I'm going to write it as a decimal now, times 4 to the power of 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, we know that that's 3, so I'm just going to write 3. And this, you can do it on the calculator or however you want, but it is 14. I don't want to waste that much time doing that for time purposes. And now we're going to extrapolate a value, meaning that we're going to solve for a term that's not in the sequence within the terms that we've been given. So here, since it's only timesing by 0.5, I've easily done 2 more and found out that the 7th term would be 1.75. You don't always need to know this, like what you're extrapolating for, because the nth term should work for everything. But here it's just to know that it's right. So 112 times 1 over 2, all to the power of 6, which is 7 minus 1, equals 1.75. You can check it if you want, but yeah, trust me on that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. With this, we've covered all we have to cover on geometric sequences. Hope you've enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what else you want to see. See you in the next video. Bye.